Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set up new account and login first time. In the search box, enter accounts, open other users. Here, click on the button, Add Account. In this window, click on the line, I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then choose the option, Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the name and password of the user to be created. Now complete the security questions. When done, click Next and you will see the account created. After that, click on the new account and then click on Change Account Type. In the pop-up window, you will set the value to Administrator. Apply the changes. Now log out of the current session. Choose the new user and enter the password. You will see the environment load for the first time. You will see some steps that the system does. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now determine the permissions for this new user. When you complete this, you will have access to the new user's profile in Windows. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.